All right, it's part 15, Under the Wings 80 in progress. And it's January 15th, 2026. The allegorical sea monster up here took a rather dark, chaotic, like Jackson Pollock-like turn yesterday. Now I'm going to be going over it initially with some white gouache, like watercolor. Okay, and use another fancy word again, extemporaneously. It's a stream of consciousness. Get these eyes. I think I'm going to draw some measles dots, yellow. Let me do this first. Actually, oops, low battery. Better work quickly here. Budgies, how are we doing over there? Everybody okay? Got the music on and got a half hour at 9 a.m., okay? That's right, turn the radio on. Can't quite make out my composition here. So if I can't, what will the art-gazing public think, huh? Who knows? Pardon-moi. Okay, that's enough for right now.